Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you something very interesting. Do you know that you can set a video as a profile picture? If you don't know, in this video I'm gonna show you how. And let's say we wanna change the Shrek's profile picture to video. How to do it? Just go on your profile, and click on the camera, and as you can see from here we have some we can find a couple of settings like add a frame, select profile video. Oh, that's cool. Select the profile picture, take a new profile video. So if you have some profile video on your phone, you can select the profile video and to select some video from your phone. Well, let's take a new one. Let's take it from our keyboard. So now just hold the red circle, click once on it, and now you can zoom and zoom out. And now when you're done, just stop it. We can reverse the video. Actually, we don't have to. And just now click on the check mark, click once on it, and now you can zoom. And when you're ready, just click on save. And that's it. Now you have a video as a profile picture. And it's very cool, huh? If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be ashamed or don't be hesitate to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. And see you next video. Bye.